Hi everyone, it's Bitesize CG, learn 3D by taking small bites. In this tutorial we're going to learn how we can add a background image. This time we're going to do it as a plane. We're going to add a new plane and we're going to add the new image to it. So let's get into it. We're going to add a new plane by pressing Shift A, Mesh and Plane. And we're going to go to Top View. We're going to scale it a bit. Oops, it's here. We're gonna move it here, so I'm gonna put it here. We're gonna scale it a bit and scale it on the y-axis. So the thing is, we're gonna have to match pretty much the size of the plane with the size of the camera. So we're gonna go in front view. We're going to rotate it by holding Control, and we're gonna move it a bit up. So we're gonna move it like this. We're gonna rotate it a bit. So we pretty much have same size as the camera. That should be okay. And the next thing you would want to do is go on Google and download an image, like a universe, like a background, as big as you want. We're gonna I already downloaded it one, so I'm gonna open a new window. Okay, let's close this one up. We're gonna open this one and we're gonna go to Node Editor and we're going to go to materials, but first we're gonna add a new material to this plane. So we're gonna new one and we can move this one back. So now what we're gonna do next, we're gonna add image texture. So press Shift A and go to Search, Image, Texture. Just select that node and connect it with the yellow dot here. It's gonna change the color. So we're gonna open. As you can see, I downloaded a universe.jpg and you just open it. And if you go to Shift Z, you don't really see anything, right? That's why, because we have to add a few more nodes. So we're gonna go to Shift A, we're gonna search, and we're gonna go mapping. We're gonna add it here, and Shift A is gonna be texture, coordinate. So what you want to do is connect this vector to this one, and this one can play around. For me, the best solution was to connect window with the vector. So we're gonna try that one now. And you see here, the background or the overall image changes. And the best way to go about it is to set this instead of diffuse. We're gonna go with emission. So if we press Shift Z, now we can see our universe in the background. And if you think that the lighting on our object is quite low or not that strong, we can go here to this planet and we can increase strength of our HDRI. We're gonna go 1.5 and you see now it's a lot brighter. So this is pretty much it. And now if you want to test run and see how the final render would look like this, you go here where this camera is and just press render. And now the image renders out. You can close this window and pretty much this, you can save it if you want it like this. But to save it, you just go here onto image and save as image. This is not going to be our final image because you can make it look more high quality. Here we're going to go when we're going to finish the project. So For now, we're gonna save it like this. So save as image and say first render and just save as image. Now you have your first render. In the next tutorial, we're going to create our own universe-like looking background. So stay tuned for that. If you found this tutorial useful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye!